And guys, what's happening? How to use Google Hotels to compare accommodation deals. So first, search on Google. Type your destination plus hotels. Let's say from Riyadh or your specific location to Japan, right? To Japan, and type the hotel, Hilton. I don't know, any hotel. Okay, you're gonna be able to see the results from here, right? You're gonna be able to see the Hilton hotel in Tokyo, right? You can go ahead and see the destinations, right? And make sure to set filters. Let me type from Riyadh to Japan without the hotel plus hotels. Google flights. Okay, right here you're gonna be able to find cheap flights and cheap hotels also. So you're going from Riyadh to Tokyo, and you can go ahead right here and select when you're gonna departure. Let's say 19th, the return, let's say 28th, right? And then hit search. Okay, and you're gonna be able right here to find the flights, right, from point A to point B, and also you can find the hotels from here also. Okay, so you can find hotels in Tokyo, right, and the platforms that offer the cheapest prices, and you can filter your search by selecting under your currency, right, and compare prices, view rates from different booking sites like Expedia, Booking.com, and hotel websites. Okay, and then of course check the review. You can see right here 3.5, 4.6, excuse me, and 4.5 mostly, right? View rates, right? And make sure to read guest reviews and see images for better decision making. So if you keen to choose, let's say for example this hotel, right, you're gonna be able right here by clicking this hotel, right, you're gonna be able to scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to see the guest reviews. Okay, and use map views. Find hotels near attractions or transport hubs. Okay, you can go ahead to scroll a little bit down and find the cheapest hotels in Japan from here with their map. Lastly, set price alerts. Track price changes for your preferred hotel. I recommend that you book your hotel or flight off peak, right? And book smartly. Click the best deal and complete your booking through the provider's site. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.